for you to check.
Go ahead, Kathy.
Just loaded solar with my patient, so can I get check 70 at the gate, the yellow gate in 25 minutes?
And for phase 1, check in 20.
It's kind of funny riding a chair lift down, isn't it?
Yes. It's what I experienced. It's my first time.
Yeah.
Yeah, this wasn't my worst of fall, but I never twisted my leg like this.
Right.
So others, I could stand up, I still could get down, but not today. Can't use it.
Yeah. Well, the doctors will tell you what,
Yeah.
what you need to do to
Yeah.
have it.
Yeah.
And how long are you here for?
5 days.
Yeah.
Today, second day.
Okay.
Too early.
Yeah.
But it's not too bad. It's, you know,
Like when you're walking on it, does it hurt or is it
hurt.
a little bit?
Yeah.
But it feels like it supports you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it needs some support
It's
and
just a certain direction.
so, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So the fall just got the twisted.
Yeah.
What really got hurt is later I get down pretty steep the balloon. I had to apply the force.
Yeah.
Got that worse.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it was just.
Yeah,
made
it just,
worse. Yeah.
I want to go this way.
Yeah.
It didn't.
Yeah.
Kathy from dispatch, check 70 is confirmed. Phase 1, 10:20.
Therefore,
And I'm curious, like this mountain is so big.
yeah.
If somebody on the bow or the woods or the moguls got hurt, how do you get them out?
We have a toboggan.
Toboggan.
Toboggan, we call it. We can see it when we get down there. It's you lay in it, and it's got handles on the front, and we ski in front and ski down. And if it's really steep, we put a rope on the back, and we can either ski down holding the rope, or we can put it on a anchor
Okay.
and like anchor and lower it through an anchor.
But to me, it's very hard to get a toboggan to that location. You know, some location is so
Yeah.
hard.
We have, like at the top of the ladder, Spanker's ladder, we have 2 toboggan caches. So we keep them in a big tube. We keep 2 toboggans up there. And at the at a high point on like the top of the showcase T-bar where you hike up to go into the Blackcomb Glacier,
Uh-huh.
we have 2 toboggans there. So we keep the toboggans up high,
Uh,
and then we just ski down. And if it's really steep, we have to use a rope
there's a rope.
to lower them in. Tie a rope on the back.
Hmm.
Yeah. But today you got a skidoo ride, not a toboggan. So next, hopefully you never have to ride in a toboggan. You just see
Yeah.
somebody else riding it.
Yeah. Yeah. I was just wondering, you know, why was riding the lift with my friend,
Yeah.
and what happens if somebody, you know, get hurt in the like nowhere?
I know. It's
Yeah.
sometimes we have to figure out where they are too.
Yeah, yeah,
You know,
yeah,
like
yeah.
People phone in, but they don't know the name of the run they're on, and so we have to.
Yeah,
our
yeah.
dispatch has to figure out where they are.
Too big.
It's big, yeah. And then Whistler on the other side is big too.
Yeah, I was there all day.
Oh, Whistler, yeah.
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 Today plan is, you know, explore this mountain.
Yeah.
And I think I got hurt on my third run.
Oh. Up on 7th Heaven chair, or
It's some lower place. Like I don't remember.
oh, because you got on 7th Heaven chair after.
Yeah. After her, I took some narrow green to get down. Eventually, got another blue, so that's where I, got worse. But then I realized, I said, oh, can I find a green get down? Not from there.
Right.
Oh, I think I was on the accelerator.
Oh,
Then try to get down to the one which was very close to it, very near.
oh, the Glacier Creek restaurant has the JC chair and the GE chair, Glacier Express chair.
Yeah, I think so.
Or probably went up JC chair because you would have to get to 7th Heaven. You had to go. Yeah, Jersey cream chair. You probably would have.
Cream cheer, yes.
Yeah.
So basically, I heard before I got to the cream cheer. It's just like
Oh.
easy green. I don't know what happened.
After you got off accelerator and before you got to Jersey.
Yes,
Oh.
there. Yes.
All right, so let's. I'm gonna try and wade down this lift off right here. It slows down,
Okay.
but I'm asked them to stop it, but sometimes
Oh, it's fine.
they'll just slowly get off.
Yeah.
I can get your skis if you want to get your
Oh.
poles.
Okay.
And then you should lift your feet up.
Okay.
Oh, he's got a little one. See what happens. Hey! Hey! Stop it!
Stop!
Yeah. So he's gonna stop it.
Here.
So just wait till it stops. Okay, now
Okay.
you can slow it down.
You okay, sir?
Yeah.
Thank you. We'll go over this way.
Right, guys, go stand back, look down, okay?
Now, if you prefer, you can put your skis on and then slide off, if that makes it easier for you. Would it be easier for you to slide on your skis?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
You want to try that?
Yeah.
Because maybe it's easier, I don't know.
Yeah.
If it's not,
Actually, going forward is not a,
we'll just see. And if it doesn't work, then we'll take them off again.
yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll just go slowly and we'll just push with your toes. We have to go around. If you're a good skier, you can do that. Even with a hurt knee, you can get on and off.
I can use one leg to do that.
Yeah.
I thought I was a good skier. Now I know. I'm not.
Well, you can get on and off with the
Yeah.
sore knee, so that's good.
Lesson learned is why adjust tune the skis. I shouldn't have set up myself as type 3. I should have set it as type 2.
Oh,
That way, like my last fall,
yeah.
it will get off easily.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
It's hard to know for sure, but yeah,
Yeah.
maybe. So you
This ski got off, right ski got off, so it was no problem. But left ski, after twist, still on.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, the problem is like the knee is like this. It's no control.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit control.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And for Jeff, we'll also have Jeff back here shortly on the sled, so no rush.
Where do you normally ski in the States? Do you have a mountain that you ski at?
West Virginia, snowshoe.
Oh, yeah.
And, my location, there's not many places. We have some little ones in the North Carolina mountains, then Virginia. Yeah. Last spring, I went to Vail.
Oh,
Yeah, that was good.
yeah.
Yeah.
My kids, they've grown up here in Whistler, and so they think everyone has a ski hill in their backyard. And they, I took them to where I grew up in Alberta, and I'm like, "There's the ski hill, see?" And they're going, "Where? I don't see it. Where? And I'm going, "It's right there." It was just like there's a tiny little chairlift with maybe 4 towers or something. And
Yeah. Yeah, the place I started to learn ski, it has one lift.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah, me too. Like, it's so small.
Yeah.
Yeah. But here, I mean, the runs are so long.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and it's amazing.
You know, this is largest in America, North America. So,
Yeah, that's what they say.
yeah,
Yeah.
more than 8,000 acres.
Yeah.
Now the Park City and Canada, they combined now. It's more than 7,000. So it's pretty much like this place. That's where I'm going to go this March. Hopefully,
Yeah.
I can.
Yeah.
I should be able to. Not too bad.
Well, the doctors will tell you what to do, and also if you like, sometimes you can go to a physiotherapy,
Yeah.
and there's good physios in town, and maybe if the doctor recommends it, you can
Yeah.
do that. Yeah.
Yeah, I had some bad falls before, and but I could, recover next day. Still, I was still be able to ski, but it wasn't on the leg.
Yeah.
So this time different.
Yeah. So the other thing now with the skis, I can put them in our guest relations office with your name on them. You could take them to the clinic, yet you have to leave them outside, so I don't know if you want to do that.
Yeah, I think it's okay. I could take them. I'll take them.
Do you have a lock or something, or?
No,
No.
not here.
It's up to you, because it's right at the bottom of the wizard. There's a place where I can put your skis.
Okay,
At the bottom of this chair,
okay,
with your name on it in
Okay.
guest relations, and then you can come and get them whenever. I don't know if it's inconvenient for you to come and get them at a later time. You can decide when we get down there.
okay.
Where are you staying?
Listel Hotel. Listel. Yeah, it's on the. There's some green. The road is called some green.
I think it's over near the base of Whistler, right? Or not, but on the Whistler side. This is the. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a village.
Oh, this is not the village place.
No, this is Blackcomb, the base of Blackcomb. So, village is over there.
Yeah. I stay in the village.
Yeah. So like you can see, I don't know if you can see it right now. That's the Blackcomb gondola right there, and it goes to the village.
Yeah. I stay there.
And there's the other gondola way over there. That goes down.
Yeah.
This is called the Upper Village.
Okay.
I don't know why. I guess because they had to name it something.
So I think I will need help to get back to the village.
Well, the truck will take you to the clinic, and then after you see the doctors, then to get back to your hotel. If you see the truck 70 coming back, you can always ask them for a ride, or you can grab a taxi or something, I guess. Or it's not very far, but I don't know that it's within walking for you.
Yeah.
Figure that out. You can ask the truck 70 driver what's the best way to get back.
Okay.
Eventually we'll go over that way, but we'll just get off.
Okay, get off
We'll
first.
push
Okay.
our way over.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, good. So do you want to bring your skis with you, or
I'll bring that with me, so probably will reduce some walking.
okay, so you might as well keep them with you then.
Okay.